Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on YouTube, should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about YouTube app. If you will find updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.